Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update gas prices on the Waze app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a circle icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will recenter the map on your current location, making it easier to find nearby gas stations and ensuring you're reporting prices for stations in your actual area. Next, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll find the warning icon. Tap on this icon to access the reporting features. This is where you can contribute to the Waze community by sharing real-time information about road conditions, hazards, and yes, gas prices. From the options that appear, tap on gas prices. This feature allows you to help other Waze users find the best fuel prices in your area, which is incredibly useful for everyone trying to save money on gas. Once you tap on gas prices, the app will automatically display a list of nearby gas stations. These are the stations closest to your current location, making it easy to report accurate prices for places you're actually near or have just visited. Now browse through the list and tap on any station you want to update. You can select a station you've recently filled up at or one you're currently passing by. Choosing the right station is important because you want to make sure you're reporting prices for the correct location. After selecting a station, you'll see input fields for different types of fuel. Here you can enter new prices for various gas types in diesel. Take a moment to input the current prices you've observed. Make sure to enter the prices accurately, as this information will be shared with other drivers in the community and helps everyone make informed decisions about where to fill up. Once you've finished entering all the updated prices, look for the Confirm Prices button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to submit your update. This action sends your price information to Waze's database where it becomes available to other users immediately. And that's it. You've successfully updated gas prices on Waze and contributed valuable information to help fellow drivers find the best fuel deals in your area. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.